Hey guys, welcome back. Whether it's for a road bike, city bike, kids bike, or just to get home from a ride with a damaged tubeless tire, changing an inner tube is a basic and necessary skill for every rider. Don't know how? Let's get started. Let's start by removing the old tube. Use a tire lever to pry one side of the tire off the rim. Remove the valve retaining nut and pull the used tube out. Don't forget to recycle. Used inner tubes can be disposed of in rubber recycling bins or for other purposes used at home or at your local bike store. The next step is very important. Check the tire in and out and carefully remove any object that could cause a tear in the new tube, such as thorns, nails, or broken glass. Slightly inflate the new tube and insert the valve to its place in the rim. Arrange the tube around the rim and check no section of the tube is placed outside. Start mounting the tire carefully while making sure no part of the tube is pinched between the tire and the rim. Close and tighten the valve retaining nut by hand. Inflate the tube and make sure the tire is mounted properly on the rim. And that's it. It's as simple as that. For more of our tutorial videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!